that you have to solve that question with two different methods. Okay, one is a elimination method and one is a substitution method. So the first question I was given that it was 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, and that question from your NCERT textbook but in some other chapter, 3x plus 2y. एक क्वेश्चन बताऊंगा फिर उसके बाद अपन लोग नया टॉपिक जो है अपन जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कर रहे थे उसको कंटिन्यू करूंगा. ठीक है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So first I am taking substitution method, the same question. Substitution method. Okay, so on solving by substitution method, I have suggested you better start with the easy one. Okay, one that is the easy one. दोनों का जो आपको छोटा दिख रहा है इक्वेशन, you start with that. यहाँ पे छोटा इक्वेशन है, नीचे वाला आई हो. This one, okay, this one looks smaller, so just you solve this one first. Solving equation 2. Okay, solving equation 2. So we have a 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. इसको ट्रांसफर कर दें, किसी एक को भी इसको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, मिलेगा 3x is equal to 5 minus 2y and x that we got in terms of y. Here we got the x in terms of y. This you can name another equation, say it is 3. Here now x, substitute this value in the next equation which we haven't taken. Substituting this value in the equation number 1. Substituting the value of x in equation 1. इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे. So 8 times of 5 minus 2y divided by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Let's see. See, 8 से multiply होगा न्यूमरेटर वाला टर्म, so we'll get 40 minus 16y whole divided by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Clear up to here? Right. 40 minus 16y divided by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. यहाँ तक. अब यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेंगे, तो सी, जैसे कि अपन लोग नॉर्मली कैलकुलेशन करते ही हैं. इफ वन टर्म इज इन फ्रैक्शन एंड वन टर्म इज नॉर्मल, सो इसके नीचे अपन 1 ले लेते हैं. इन दोनों का एलसीएम लेंगे, तो 3 और 1 का एलसीएम यू गेट 3 ओनली. ठीक है, सो हियर यू गेट एलसीएम ऑफ दिस टू टर्म. हियर 3 और 1 का एलसीएम आ जाएगा 3 ओनली. ये 40 minus 16y. Now here 3 and 1 we got LCM 3, so 1 से 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको 3 मिलेगा. 3 5 15 like this, and RHS is 9. Clear? Just see. Then transfer this term which is in denominator. See, it is dividing the whole term, and after transferring it will be multiplied. So 40 minus 16y plus 15y is equal to 27. Now this minus 16 plus 15, that minus y, and transfer this term to the right side. Minus y equal to 27 minus 40, minus 30. So minus will cancel out. Y equal to 30. Okay. After getting this, put this value in any of the equation. It will be better. Okay, it will be better. Just put this value in. It will be better. Put this value in equation number 3. Okay, so putting the value of y in equation 3. So we'll get x is equal to 5 minus 2 times of 13 divided by 3. Clear? So we'll get x is equal to 5 minus 26 divided by 3. We get x is equal to minus 26 plus 5 minus 21 by 3. This. Clear? Now we shall verify whether our answers are correct or not. Whether our answers are correct or not. So we shall put this value in any of the equation and just be verified. That is called verification. So after knowing verification, you can get this. Okay. So we got x is equal to minus 21 by 3 and we got y equal to 13. Putting these value in this equation. Okay. Verification of your answer. So thrice of x, twice of y. Okay, just see what we are getting. The 3 will cancel out. Minus 21 and this is 26. We are getting 5 and the RHS is also 5. So 5 equal to 5. Hence our solution is correct. Okay, what we saw, that is correct. So this is the method that we discussed earlier, and one more method we discussed yesterday. Okay, so what we did substitution method. We solved the equation 2. Okay, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. That we got x equal to 5 minus 2y upon 3, and that value we put in the equation number 1. And after getting value of y, we got the value of x. Clear? But the same question I am telling you with the same question I am telling you with the elimination method. Same question with the elimination method. Clear? Second is the elimination method. So just याद करिए हम लोग कल पढ़े थे elimination method. So in elimination method, our first step is what? Our first step is we have to make coefficient equal. हमको कोई भी जो term हमको eliminate करना है, whatever you want to eliminate, their coefficient should be equal. Coefficient को equal करना है, ठीक है? Coefficient को equal करना है. तो क्या यहाँ पर जो coefficient हमको equal करने के लिए क्या करना है? देखो, कोई भी एक कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल कर सकते हो, दोनों प्लस प्लस में है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर ये वाला इजी पड़ेगा. इस दोनों कोएफिशिएंट को हम इक्वल करते हैं 5 and 2, राइट? सो 5 और 2 का लीस्ट मल्टीपल मतलब जो होता है दैट इज 10. हमको 10 लाना है दोनों, ठीक है? एलसीएम. तो यहाँ पे 10 लाने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, यहाँ पे 10 लाने के लिए 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1, ये इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इस पूरे को we will multiply it with 2 and in this whole equation we will multiply it with 5. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 5. Clear? So by doing this we can get the equal coefficient of y. y का कोएफिशिएंट हमको इक्वल मिल जाएगा. आ रही बात समझ में? ठीक है, देखते हैं करके इसको. अब फिर से वही बात है, तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो पूरी इक्वेशन को करना है, याद रखना. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, बोथ साइड ऑलवेज. तो इसको अपन मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. वी गॉट 8 2 जा 16x, 5 2 जा 10y, RHS 80 here, 5 3 जा 15x, 5 2 ja 10y, and here get 25. Correct? Just see, now these two are equal. Now subtract करना है इसको. Subtract करने पे डिनोमिनेटर वाले का साइन पूरे का बदल जाएगा. ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, ये भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. आ रही बात समझ में? 8 5 9. Okay, 15 10 and 25. So just subtract here. On subtracting this, what shall we get? 16 minus 15. 16 minus 15 will get x, and y will be cancel out. Okay, here y will be cancel out. Clear? What cell you are getting? Is it anything wrong? 1 minute. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay. So this is another question. 10 minus 10, that will be 0. And 18 minus 25. 18 minus 25. That's what shall we get here? Just subtracting. Okay. It is on subtraction. 18 minus 25. We get 7. So getting x equal to minus 7. Okay. Now just put this value in any of the equation. We will get a value of y. Putting this value, okay, putting this value in any of the other equation, putting this value in equation number 1, putting the value of x in equation 2. So what shall we get? 3 into minus 7. Okay, 3 into minus 7 plus 2y is equal to 5. And here, what shall we get? Minus 21 plus 2y is equal to 5. So transfer this down to the right hand side. We will get 5 plus 21. And this is 26. We get y equal to 26 divided by 2. Y equal to 30. Clear? Something is, I think, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So actually the question I took, what was the given, that was in 4. In that question it was 4, but here I took this 5. Okay. So what the question given in the homework yesterday, that is different. Okay. Now let's come to the word problem. Okay. यहाँ पर जो अपन word problem कल कर रहे थे, ये बहुत बहुत interesting question है. ठीक है. ये अगला जो question है, that is one of the most interesting question you will find. Just see question number 4 अपन लोग कल किए थे. Now see the question number 5. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Okay, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if we adding 2 on numerator as well as on the denominator. Okay, and if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Then find the fraction. So let x and y be the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Clear? So let x and y that be the fraction. ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज जो है, ये एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन देखिए. एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, थर्ड का 5. एक्सरसाइज थर्ड का 5th क्वेश्चन है. ओके, सो लेट x be the numerator and y be the denominator. So your fraction will be, the fraction is x upon y. This is the fraction. Okay. So what is given in the question? If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, so it will become 9 by 11. Okay. So according to question, if 2 is added, x plus 2, y plus 2, it will become 9 by 11. 9, 11. Correct? This is the first condition that is given in the question. You just cross multiply this. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपको एक इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा 11 into x plus 2 and 9 times y plus 2. Let's see what we are getting here. 11x plus 22 here, 9y plus 18 and finally 11x transfer कर दीजिए minus 9y is equal to 22 and come to the right hand side 18 minus 22 and we get minus 4. This is get equation number 4. And also one more thing is given in the question, that is if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Means if you are adding 3 there, numerator we are adding 3 and denominator adding 3, it will become 5 by 6. Clear? So now cross multiplying this, 6 times of x plus 3, 5 times of y plus 3, so we shall get 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15, 6x. Now let's transfer the terms, we shall get 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. That is minus 3. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So what we did, just we if you have any problem, in the solving question, so read it again and again. So after this we will get the first step is to form the equation. If you are able to form the equation taking two variables x and y, then the solving will be easy. So if this question is asked in examination, so suppose it is a 4 marks question, so 1.5 you will get the after getting the equation. एग्जाम में यदि आता है तो आपको 1.5 मार्क आपको ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको 1.5 मार्क ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद का जो पार्ट है ये आपको सॉल्व करने के बाद मिलेगा. सारी बात समझ में? So here we have a two equations. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4 and 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Let's solve these equations. After the next part is you can solve. See, I am writing here again this two equation. 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4 and 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. अब इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. Let's see. Just concentrate. This is a very important question and this part is very important for the examination point of view. And I already taught you that जैसे आपको पहले ही बताया था कि पूरे मैथ्स का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये चैप्टर है. ठीक है, आपको ये सब में काम आएगा. आप चाहे मैथ्स लो या मैथ्स नहीं लो, ठीक है, आपको ये जो है दो वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू निकालने वाला क्वेश्चन आपको हर जगह काम आएगा. ठीक है, चलिए अब हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. तो ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, किसी भी एक इक्वेशन को सिंपलीफाई कर लेते हैं. सपोज दिस वन, ओके, 1 and 2. So from equation 1 we have 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Transfer this. 6x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y and hence x is equal to divided by 6. Okay, इस वैल्यू को फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इसको बोलेंगे सब्स्टिट्यूट. Substituting the value of x in equation 1, 11 times of minus 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Here minus 33 plus 55y whole divided by 6 minus 9y minus 4. क्लियर? अब देखिए क्या आता है. Here we have to take LCM. Minus 33 plus 55 y. The LCM of 1 and 6 will be 6 only, and 9 into 6, okay, it will become 54 whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. Here, just see. Transferring this 6 to the right hand side, minus 33, 55 minus 54, get 1 only, and transfer this 6 to the right hand side, become minus 24. Y is equal to minus 24 plus 33, and y equal to 9. Here, y is equal to 9. After this, putting this value in any of the equation, we get better to put in equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So putting the value of y in equation 3. ये वाली वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करें. हमको क्या मिलेगा? x is equal to minus 3 5 9 divided by 6. ठीक है? We'll get minus 42, 45 minus 3 plus 42 divided by 6 and 7. 7, 5, 9. Here. So, after getting the value of x and y, what is the fraction? Our target is to find the fraction. Hence, the fraction is x upon y, that is 7 by 9. And just verify your answer. When you add 2 on numerator, 7 plus 2, 2 on denominator, 9 plus 2, it will become 9 by 11. So it is fulfilling the criteria which we have given in the question. Clear? Now, the last question, okay, after this last question is that say you have seen particularly the age, the question on which it is dealing with age. That is very, very important. Okay, age question. Let's see the question, last question. Sixth question of this exercise. Third ka sixth. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is their present age? ठीक है, एज वाले क्वेश्चन में ऐसा आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि कैसे 5 साल पहले जो था वो 3 टाइम्स. ओके, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son, and 5 years ago the Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. ठीक है, 5 साल पहले 7 टाइम्स था और आफ्टर 5 years it will be 3 times. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? यस, ऐसा होता है. Just for example, suppose father's age is suppose 30. Okay, and at that moment his son age is 1 year. ठीक है, फादर का एज है 30 और सन का एज है 1 year. ठीक है, तो see how much time the age of father, it is 30 times. ये कितना टाइम है? 30 times larger. After 10 years, the age of father will become 40. The age of son will become 11. Correct? After again 10 years, it will become 50 and it will become 21. After 50, it becomes 60. Sorry, after 10 years, it becomes 60 and become 31. Just see, it is almost twice, double. यहाँ पे it is how much time? It is 40 divided by 11 times. It is 50 divided by 11 times. Just see how much time is coming. Here. Now, suppose it is born at that time. It is 0, 10, 4 times. Here. Here it is 2.5 times. It is here 2 times. ऐसे एज का टाइम्स बदलते जाता है, लेकिन डिफरेंस 30 है. देखो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस हमेशा 30 है. जैसे फादर का एज 30 था उस समय सन पैदा हुआ, ठीक है, तो ये इसका इनफाइनाइट टाइम है. फिर आफ्टर 10 ईयर इसका एज 10 सन से बिकम 10 ईयर एंड द फादर एज आल्सो बिकम 30 plus 10 40 years. Now it is a 4 times, and after again 10 years means 20 years from the son's birth, it will be 2.5 times. Just see. And after 30 years from the age of birth of son, it becomes twice. तो ऐसा ही होता है. एज जो है जैसे जैसे आप देखोगे टाइम्स कम होता जाता है, लेकिन डिफरेंस हमेशा सेम रहेगा. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 10 है, सॉरी 30 है. क्लियर? नाउ यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चन है हम दोनों की ऐसे एज को एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. प्रेजेंट एज लेट present age of father is X and age of Jacob is Y. ठीक है, फादर का एज है वो X है और जैकब जो एज है वो है Y. कौन बड़ा है? ऑब्वियसली एज ऑफ फादर इज 4. ओके, सो हियर इट इज रिटन आफ्टर 5 year ago, before 5 year. ओके, 5 साल पहले एज कितना रहा होगा? तो 5 year ago age of father, what do you think? अभी x है तो 5 साल पहले कितना रहा होगा? will be simply x minus 5. okay, and age of son, age of Jacob will be y minus 5. Clear? Now किसका एज ज्यादा है? Obviously फादर का एज ज्यादा है हमेशा. कितने टाइम्स है? Just see it is written 5 year ago. 5 year ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. एक मिनट यहाँ उल्टा लिख दिया मैंने. Jacob is son. Okay, x minus 5. So obviously the age of Jacob is more, the father का age ज्यादा. कितना टाइम ज्यादा है? So it is written that 5 year ago it was 7 times. Okay, the Jacob's age was 7 times then that of its son. तो सन की एज का 7 टाइम्स के इक्वल है फादर के एज. ओके, फादर का एज जो है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन this age is more x minus 5, it is 7 times equal. ओके, कई बार यहाँ पे क्या गलती करते हैं, जिसका 7 टाइम दे रहा है तो उसी में 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ठीक है, जिसका एक छोटा है उसमें 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो वो बड़े के बराबर होगा. यहाँ पर आपको एक इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा x minus 5 7y. इसी को ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए x माइनस, या ऐसे भी रहेगा x इज इक्वल टू, इसको ट्रांसफर कर लो. So we have x equal to 7y minus 30. This is the equation. And also फिर और दिया है क्वेश्चन में 5 year hence, मतलब आफ्टर 5 year, आज के बाद 5 साल बाद. ओके, तो आफ्टर 5 year okay, 5 year hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times. Age of Jacob will be 3 times. तो 5 साल बाद एज क्या होगा? एज ऑफ Jacob x plus 5 and age of son y plus 5. So according to question it will be the C, x plus 5, it will be 3 times to that y plus 5. And here we will get one more equation, x plus 5, like this. And hence you may get x plus x is equal to 3y plus 10. This is the equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Okay, very easily you can solve this question. Very, very easy question. Here, so I hope you understand here both the methods, and we have solved some very important questions also. तो जो आज नहीं आए हैं वो जस्ट ये वीडियो देख लेना, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारी रहेगी मंडे को. ओके, सो अभी मेरे स्कूल की क्लास रहती है विद्याज्योति में अप टू 1:15 तक. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, तो वहाँ पे जो क्लास है वो और कम कर रहे हैं, तो हो सकता है मैं आपकी क्लास और थोड़ा सा पहले ले लूँ, क्योंकि 1:30 को मैं लेता हूँ. इट्स वेरी लेट. मैं हो सकता है मंडे से आपको नया टाइम टेबल दे दूँ, या मंडे को यही रहेगा. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन चेंज. ओके देन, तो क्लियर. और आगे आप सवाल बनाइए, मैं और सवाल आपको सेंड करूँगा, तो आप सॉल्व करिए. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.